If you're watching this video, you're probably moving to the Denver metro area and you're probably struggling with a ton of different resources that are out there. I want to show you how tmadenver.com can save you on average 5 hours a week, as well as give you access to data that only us realtors have access to. Not only that, you'll be able to request showings, look at property valuations, and so much more. Our team is here to be a resource for you, so if you are looking for anything real estate related, do not hesitate. Reach out. Our information and contact information is down below in the description. We have a team of 4 agents here servicing the Denver Metro, and we want to be of assistance to you when you're making the move here. Now, my name's Chad Jonerson, and I am with the Modern Agents, and I just want to make sure that you have access to one of the best tools here in the Denver Metro for your home search. So let's dive right into this. All right, we're over here at tmadenver.com, which is our website. And we're going to go ahead and click up here into buy and look at all listings. This is going to display all of the active, pending, essentially every single listing that is currently within the multiple listing services. Now you can obviously filter by city if you want to look specifically in an area. You can do price, your beds, baths, property type. And if you want to get really granular, you can click on this filters button here. And if you ever want to reset it, that's right up here at the top. However, you can filter as granular as you would want to on this search. So the type of property, if you're looking for sale or for rent, since we show both of those, how much square footage, the number of kitchens, if you're looking for multiple kitchens, when it was built, what types of financing are accepted on it, which is stuff that we have access to through the MLS, and you're going to be able to see like, hey, is this eligible for VA financing or USDA financing? Because there are different types of loans out there that you might want a property to be able to be financed through. Are you looking for a property with a basement? Are you looking for new construction home, or is there a specific type of construction that you're looking for? That's how granular you can get through this search. So, and like I said, if you wanted to look at a type of home, like if you want a fixer-upper or a new construction or something to be built or something under construction, you have all those options. Now, I will say it depends on the data that is input by the realtor in the MLS for these to filter properly. So sometimes these filters may not display any properties at all, and that's just because maybe the agent that went ahead and inputted the listing forgot to include a specific feature about the property. So like minimum garage spaces, if you're looking for a certain number of parking spaces, attached garage, all sorts of things that you can filter on. So let's filter this down a little bit more, and let's say we want to have a property with a fireplace here, and then we have 537 properties to look through, and you can save this search as homes in Denver with fireplace. Now you have that saved search, which can be located up here under your name in the top right, and you can go to my searches and see which searches you have saved. Let's say you really like the look of this home right here, and you just want to make sure that you can find it easily and accessibly. So you're going to scroll down here and you're going to hit save. Now what it's going to do is it's going to go put it up here in your my favorite section, so you can look at any properties that you have favorited in the past, and you'll have all of your favorite properties here. And if you need more information or reach out to the agent or any one of us to help out, we're happy to get some extra information to you if that's what you're looking for. Now let's go back over here to the search, and we'll click on this home again, and we'll go through some of the details on these properties that you can see here. So obviously it displays the list price, an estimated payment, which this is going to need to be changed depending on where the current interest rates are at, how much money down you're bringing, if there's HOA fees, if you understand what your homeowner's insurance is going to be, all of those things. It's going to run down essentially how many beds and baths there are at the property, the square footage, and the key details down here is going to display, the neighborhood, the subdivision, things of that nature, when it was built, and the lot size, stuff like that as well. Now you'll scroll down a little more, you can see the property description here, see exactly where it's located. You get access to zoning, which this is something very useful if you are looking for investment properties and you're looking for specific zoning requirements or zoning permits, right, for whether or not you want to build a duplex on a scrape lot or something of that nature. It's going to outline all the interior features, the type of heating and cooling in the property, what the exterior is made of, where it's kind of located, what the road frontage is, if it's on a dirt road or public road or a private road, things of that nature. And if you scroll down here to the bottom, you're going to be able to see schools that are nearby. If this is important to you, you'll be able to look at the nearby schools. There's 20 elementary schools nearby this property, 12 middle schools, and 8 high schools for you to take a look at. And if you want to look at other properties nearby that are for sale, you can click on properties here and scroll through these as well. It'll show you some market trends for this local area, specifically in the zip code 80209. And then it will also show you the neighborhood demographics as well as some other similar homes nearby that are in that same price range that the property that you're looking at currently. All right, we're going to scroll back up here real quick and go over the tour option. So if you wanted to request a tour, you're just going to go through here, select a date, and then go ahead and click the schedule tour person. Whether you want it to be in person or virtual, you can select that option as well, and then it will notify us of the tour being scheduled here. Now let's go up here to our rent-to-own program. We like to obviously outline this. If you're looking for rent-to-own properties, we're very well versed in using home partners here in the Denver metro area. This specifically outlines sort of the process, the requirements, what you need to do in order to be qualified, and we're happy to jump on a call and walk you through this as well. All right, we're over here on the home valuation page here underneath the sell tab. You're going to click there, and let's go ahead and type in an address just to give you an example. So 1120 Cook Street in Denver. I'm going to go ahead and click next, and then this is going to go ahead and provide an estimated range for your home value of a low end and the high end. And of course, until we come over and take a look at the property, we're not going to be able to give you an accurate estimate. This is essentially sort of how a Zillow estimate works, where based on market trends and data, that's where it gives you a range. I mean, $100,000 spread is a pretty large spread in terms of an estimate on your home. And then you're also going to get sent an email as well, which will outline these same numbers and what our process is sort of moving forward from there. And if you wanted a comparative market analysis, you can go ahead and click this button, and we will go ahead and prepare that for you and send that right over. All right, so the last tool that I want to show you here is going to be the market snapshot tool. I think it's really great, especially if you're living in a very niche neighborhood and you wanted to look at that specific subdivision. So like, let's say we wanted to see what Sunnyside was like here in Denver, and we want to look at the market snapshot. You're going to be able to see within the last month the sold listings, the average sales price, and the average days on market, as well as your market trends here. I think this is a great tool, and you can subscribe to this specific market update if you wanted just listings in your neighborhood, or if you're keeping an eye on a specific area. I think this is a phenomenal tool. We can put you on what's called a sold watch as well if you want to see what recently sold or what sold for that month, every single month or every week, whatever you want to do. Don't hesitate to reach out. We're happy to get you set up on a sold watch. Those are something that a lot of people are really enjoying having sent to them. If you are looking for real estate in the Denver metro area, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. We are here to assist you whenever we can. We're here pretty much 24/7. You'd be surprised how much coverage that we do have. Our information is down in the description. One of the members of our team will be able to get in touch with you if you do book an appointment on one of our calendars, or reach out and call or text any one of us directly. We're here to support you and looking forward to helping you out with your real estate journey. However, you're gonna want to check out this next video because it's super important in the home search process.